What Month Is It? Is hosted by Tammy Happiness Created. She is trying to grow her channel, so help her out. Special guest host Annalie Ashby, and co-host Shawnee Glitzy Stitches DIY, and Ellie DIY from House to Home deserve attention. These are beautiful women who make awesome DIYs, so be sure to subscribe to their channel, save, like, and comment. Let us support the other women who are on the playlist, so be sure to subscribe, like, save, and follow along to see what they have made. This time of the year, late summer into early fall, corresponds with the time of harvesting corn in much of the northern United States. For this reason, a number of Native American people usually refer to the full moon as corn moon in September. I am painting the picture of a full moon in nature. The supplies include a 5x7 canvas, paint in the colors of green, brown, orange, gray, and cream, and paintbrushes. A picture I saw in the Farmer's Almanac regarding the harvest moon inspired me to paint this picture. I mixed a dusty green-gray color to paint the top of the canvas. That way it appeared as if it is evening and the sun is setting. I used a brown, gray, green color to depict the earth on the lower half of the canvas. Then I am painting the full moon in a deep yellow color with a tinge of orange. Now it is time to fill in the bottom of the canvas with sprigs of wheat and other grasses to depict looking across the horizon. Fall is my most favorite time of the year. So let's see what else September has for us. DIY number 2, a blue studded vase. The official birthstone for September is blue sapphire, and thus the September birthstone color is a deep blue. I made a simple tea light holder from a thrifted flip. The supplies include a small glass container, glass mosaic tiles from Crafter's Square, hot glue, and then I found a blue lighted tea light. This was an easy DIY, but depicted the color of the month, which is a blue sapphire. I took the various colors of blue and also included a white mosaic square, and I put it around the rim at the top of the container and the bottom of the glass container. I put a tea light inside and you have a nice blue ambiance. DIY number 3. The flower of the month is the aster and morning glories. They provide a much-needed splash of color in the garden when summer begins to fade and fall makes its annual appearance. So I will be making a birthday card with an aster flower on the front. So let's get started. The supplies needed include our cardstock paper, and I use green, lavender, yellow, and orange. I had a big shot, or you can also use a cricket, a happy birthday, and an inside greeting stamp, envelope, metal dies, and some reptile adhesive. I started with gathering my supplies and the colors that are most likely to be used for the color of an aster. It does not have to be perfect, but it kind of helps. But I had to make do. After choosing the dies, I started using my big shot, which I ran it through with the various colors of paper. I've had a big shot, or what they call a Sizzix, for quite some time, and I thought, hey, I had it, I might as well use it. So I found a die that was similar to an aster and made two of them. I cut two different centers and used reptile adhesive to adhere them to each other. Then I decided to cut the leaves so they would look more like aster petals. And then I staggered the flower and cut the petals to look wispy. I used a fancy stem because I didn't have a single stem with leaves. Besides, I thought that would look much better. I glued the flower and the stem to the card and stamped happy at the top and birthday at the bottom. On the inside, I have a birthday greeting and on the back, I stamped my name so the receiver will know that I made it with special care. Now this makes a wonderful card for someone born in September. So, if you have liked what you've seen, please subscribe, save, comment, and remember, never lose a chance of saying a kind word. See you later. Bye-bye.